seriously.
Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye. Take care.